is up, Notification Squad, FLP family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go and pick up the G8. We're about to go pick up BJ. Yesterday we had to drop it off. It had a seat belt recall, nothing major. There was a recall on the lower control arms. It expired 3 months ago. I took it into the dealership probably about a year and a half ago, and the guy at the dealership told me that I had plenty of time. I really didn't have to worry about it. The control arms on the G8 was fine. Well, I got to looking at the bushings on it when I did the front end alignment, and they're not out, but they could have used the replacement. So I went to the dealership to try to get it replaced, and he tells me that it expired. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get that done. I'll end up having to come out of pocket for that, but it is what it is. I'm not going to knock the dealership for it. I'm not going to knock the guy that told me that I had plenty of time. I didn't need to worry about it. It is what it is. But we're going to go pick up the G8, get her back home, and then we're going to have Joseph come out and do a paint correction and ceramic coating on the paint. Probably tomorrow. So this video will roll into tomorrow. But let's take a ride. Let's go get BJ. What up, FLP fam?
We all about it today.
Let's do
Go
it.
get that G8, and we're gonna get down the road, do what we can. Why is he looking at a Mustang?
No, he's looking at a Challenger.
The Challenger.
Swing. Okay, guys, I forgot that I ordered a part for the Titan, so we gotta run in here to the dealership, pick up this part, and then we're gonna go pick up the G8. Yeah, it's a rubber mount for exhaust.
Oh yeah, for your exhaust.
Yeah. Alrighty, I appreciate it.
Yes sir, no problem. Have a good day.
All right, you too. We had an exhaust mount that was out on the Titan. Found that when we put the Flowmaster exhaust on, so picked that up from the dealership, and now we're gonna go do some work. Actually pick up the G8. Right here, perfect. That may be handicapped. No, I just saw the blue poles and thought maybe it was handicapped, but no, not today. Priscilla, wake up. hell? Oh, guys. What the hell is going on there? That ain't right. They're gonna have to fix that. Right there. That is not right.
I'm not sure if Mike's too happy, but she sounds good. Nothing's ever been wrong with her, so she's smoking.
So we've got the G8 picked up. We had a little issue with a plastic piece at the bottom of the seat that wasn't replaced right, but the service manager got down and put it back on, and I gave him a hand putting it back together, so no big deal. But the next step is to get this thing paint corrected and get a ceramic coat on it, and yeah, so that'll be the next step. But stay tuned, guys. Got a Challenger here. Apparently he didn't want any. Raced the Challenger actually before I got all the mods put on, but now with headers and tune and the Camaro differential, I really want to race one. Of course, I got beat before. I believe now would be a different story, and I would love to video me eating up a Challenger with this Pontiac. Old school Vit. Alrighty guys, we're gonna get out here and do some work. We got a pressure washing job and we get a BJ started on, and we will come back to you guys when we do the ceramic coating. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Gonna have to get wet case for the GoPro because it's gonna get wet.
They're blowing you up.
Y'all stop texting me. Call my cousin, goddammit.